Violetta will show us slow Foxtrot gold level choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at same slow Foxtrot choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with feather step, which we finish in outside position. Continue with bounce Fallaway, notice timing, with weave ending. Then curve 3-step. Notice man's second step on toe is deliberately changed footwork from standard one. Now back feather with man's heel turn, and then weave from promenade position, which we finish into corner with outside step. Now let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. We take close hold and start moving with feather step diagonally to center. We continue in same direction, bounce Fallaway, and then change down line of dance. Weave ending, down line of dance, and we finish diagonally to wall. We continue diagonally to wall with curved 3-step, then back feather, moving around the corner, and open impetus, down line of dance, and finish diagonally to center. In same direction we start weave from promenade position, and we finish it diagonally into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.